Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a bold proposal called the last human written paper. The researchers suggest that the traditional way of writing scientific papers is becoming a bottleneck for progress. Currently, scientists take months of messy work and squash it into a clean, linear story for humans to read. This process creates a storytelling tax where failed experiments and rejected ideas are thrown away to keep the narrative simple. It also creates an engineering tax, where technical details needed to actually run the code are left out of the prose. While this works for human readers, it is difficult for AI agents that want to reproduce or extend the work. To solve this, the authors introduce the Agent-Native Research Artifact, or ARA. An ARA replaces the static PDF with a machine-executable package of knowledge. It is organized into 4 layers: scientific logic, executable code, an exploration graph, and raw evidence. This structure allows AI to see not just what the final result was, but every dead end and decision made along the way. To build these packages, they developed a live research manager that captures thoughts and experiments as they happen. This tool acts like a Git log for research, ensuring that no hard-won lesson is ever lost. They also created a system to translate old, legacy PDFs into this new ARA format. The results are impressive. When AI agents used these structured artifacts, their question-answering accuracy jumped from 72% to nearly 94%. In reproduction tests, the AI was far more successful at getting the experiments to run correctly compared to using a standard paper and code repository. The exploration graph particularly helped agents avoid making the same mistakes the original researchers already encountered. This is important because, as the paper notes, most of the cost in research is spent on failed exploration that usually never gets published. The researchers also proposed a 3-level review system to verify these artifacts automatically. This allows human reviewers to stop checking if the code runs and focus on the bigger picture, like novelty and taste. One interesting finding was that seeing prior failures helped AI agents accelerate their own progress on new tasks. However, they found that if an agent is not capable enough, having too much information can actually constrain its creativity. This marks a shift from science being read to science being operated. The researchers envision a future where science scales into a massively parallel enterprise powered by AI-human collaboration. In this world, the primary scientific object is the organized, evolving knowledge, not the narrative paper. Let us recap the most important points. Traditional papers hide the messy truth of research, which slows down AI assistance. ARA fixes this by providing a structured, lossless record of the entire research journey. This transition could mean that discovery happens at machine speed, with agents forking and merging research like software. It might just be the beginning of a brand new era for how humanity shares knowledge. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.